Hi there. This time we're going to look at the recommended routes for entering the River Humber from either the south or from the north, plus we'll show an alternative route from the north. Hope you do enjoy it and enjoy your visit into the Humber Estuary. When approaching the Humber from the south, your waypoint is 53 degrees 30 minutes decimal 50 north, 00 degrees 16 minutes decimal 50 east. One cable southwest of Rossbit, Port and Marker Buoy. Call up VTS on VHF channel 14, informing them of your intentions and listen for instructions. Then pass south of the Hail Sand number 2, then via number 2B and number 2C into the Hail Channel. From here you are well placed to run into Grimsby or on up the Humber to Hull and beyond. From the north your waypoint is 53 degrees 34 minutes decimal 74 north, 00 degrees 16 minutes decimal 55 east. It's marked by the South Binks starboard hand marker buoy. Call up VTS on channel 14, giving your intentions and listen for instructions. Then pass north of the Spurn light float, southeast of Checker and then on to Checker number 3, crossing the precaution zone to the south of Bull Channel. Again, this is ideal for Grimsby. If your destination is Hull, VTS may instruct you to head to the Binks number 3 starboard hand marker buoy, just to the southeast of Spurn Head, then to recall VTS for further instructions. This will mean you will pass close into Spurn Head. Beware, the tidal streams run strong and fast here. It's best to arrive approximately 45 minutes after low water to avoid the worst. You can then stop at Spurn Bight or continue following the Hawk Channel upstream. Entry into Grimsby Marina is accessed through the fish dock lock. There is free passage plus or minus 2 hours of high tide. A £10 payment is required outside of this time. For leisure vessels heading to Hull, it is best to use the flood tide to take you upstream. Passing Immingham, you should be on the northern side of the Humber, following the Foulholme Channel. Hull Marina is accessed via the Marina lock and is available plus or minus 3 hours of high tide at Albert Dock tide gauge. There is a waiting wall, however this does dry. VTS, Ava Grace, over.
Ava Grace, yes.
VTS, Ava Grace, yeah, just outside Hull Marina, about to enter the lock.
Ava Grace, VTS, Hull Street.
Going forward as